Oh man, it's a rainy day. You know what that means? You know what that means, Lucy? Huh? That means it's time to make a video. Bill Goudy and Lucy Lou checking in. Check out today's adventure.
Roughly 100 cases of rare neurological disorder that can cause muscle weakness or even paralysis may be linked to the Johnson & Johnson shot. Officials saying the benefits still outweigh the risks. How the comes as cases so explosive. New images from inside the spaceship the moment billionaire Richard Branson made history as Jeff Bezos gets ready for his Good evening, everyone. Another possible setback for Johnson & Johnson's COVID vaccine. Tonight, the FDA warning of an increased risk.
And they will run the risk here if they don't pivot quickly away from J&J of having a sustained carryover effect, really damaging the reputation and the image of the mRNA vaccine.
GBS cases occur about 2 weeks after receiving shots. Despite all this, California strikes at vaccine benefit, but are taking risks as nearly all COVID hospitals.
I'm Steve Patterson in Nevada, where tonight hospitals are back on high alert as the Delta variant spreads. Cases now on the rise in more than half the country.
I got it and passed out. I got hospitalized about it, and I know it's real.
By at least 30% in 11 states, including Nevada.
Of historic anti-government protests. Andrea Mitchell has the again claims.
These are the apocalyptic unusual pain in your hip or in your thigh as unusual thigh bone fractures have occurred. Speak to your doctor before stopping, skipping, or delaying.
Smaller cities hurting too. Rochester, New York, with 37 homicides this year.
It's just so hard to see what can we do now.
Afghanistan. General Scott Miller handed over the reins of U.S. forces in Afghanistan to CENTCOM Commander General Frank McKenzie. Assured Afghans nervous about NBC News, Kabul, Afghanistan.
I'm Richard Engel.
Caffeine free, 0 calorie, all natural. In here I have pickle relish and mayonnaise. Normally I add a little Texas Pete, but today, thanks to Brian, I'm going to use a little Danger Close, a hot sauce he sent me, the General's hot sauce. It's got habanero, and it's got cayenne pepper, and it has a lot of flavor. But I'm going to put a generous pour in there. This is previously cooked catfish from the other night. You know, I did a video showing the Texas feet dust and slap your mama, and that's exactly what this is. It's already cooked, and I'm just going to warm it up in this skillet with the mushrooms, onion, garlic. I'd like to tell you that was fresh off the avocado tree, but It's Walmart's avocado tree. They had these things on sale, and they are just right too, just perfect. Let's build these babies, shall we?
And addressing gaps in literacy, specifically elementary school.
This is Italian cheese. I like to put it on now and let it melt. Let it melt in.
I'm Holly Sands. There's a school board meeting about that tonight. And TV6's Tony Fager has more on why literacy rates in the
Paula, David, looking at the data provided by Davenport schools, the percentage of students at or above benchmark, and spoke with them about ways parents can
Over here I have my lettuce already chopped up. I like to do that ahead of time.
data for kindergarten through sixth
And there's my
report that has
tartar sauce.
shows a slight increase in the spring.
You don't feel your kid is reading enough, go to the library. Take them to the library.
About their literacy data and are awaiting a response. Coker says the United Way will be tracking literacy data for years to come to evaluate the impacts of the past.
All right, looking outside now on this very un-July-like Monday evening, I would call it, Eric. It doesn't really feel what you would expect this time of year.
It's almost clean, but there is a little bit of rain out and about, and we're finding this right now just a few light showers up in Clinton County, and as we drop south, just a few spits of rain here and there. Looks like our best chance for rain this evening.
You are going to hear me say it. Ha ha ha. Oh, look at the goodness. I got lettuce. I got the homemade tartar sauce. Catfish with Texas Pete dust and slap your mama. Mushrooms, onion, garlic, and 5 cheese blend. I can't wait to dig in. Mm. 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 Oh, wow. That's good. I recommend that. I've made catfish tacos. That's one of my favorites. It's one of the things I like to do with the leftovers. It's so easy. Look what I got. Big Bad Brad and Ellie Mae gave this to me at Christmas time. I think it's about time to break it out. Let me see if I can find some ammo for it. I think I can put that to good use. Looky here. Happen to have a brand new. It says I get 80 shots by filling this little. Let's give her a try, shall we?
So that cap, get the gates closed up, we'll start filling it up.
I wonder if it works on water. Oh. Oh yeah. He's not gonna go anywhere. It has a safety. You have to remember to keep. It's automatic, so every time you cock it, it sets itself. I keep forgetting it. Do it. Yeah, the sights are pretty accurate. It's like a mini shotgun. That's an ant. Works on ants too. Yeah, I could spend all day shooting flies with my fly shooter. It says you get 80 shots, and you can see, yeah, I got plenty of salt left, and I've shot the heck out of them. Pretty accurate, actually. I'm pretty happy. Thank you, Big Bad Brad and Ellie Mae. I'm having fun. But I'm thinking I got more things to do besides shoot this gun. I should be mowing some grass before it rains. Bill Goudy out for now. I gotta tell you, I'm impressed with this. 5 foot is out of range. 3 foot is right on the money. 4 foot, it's iffy. So, and I tell you what, the sights, when it's cocked, I don't know if I can show this or not, but maybe I can. I don't have my tripod, but when you cock it, let me cock it. You see that back sight follows up. And the safety goes on. But I want to take that safety off now. But I can't put the safety back on. It has to be fired. When you fire this, the safety stays right in the same position and doesn't go back until you pump it. When you pump it, the safety goes in the on position and the sight pops up. So you know when it's pumped. You know when it's cocked, that sight is ready to go. Now, I'm sitting here and I have no flies around me at all. And that chair is just out of range. I see a fly over there. I'm going to try to get down there. Yep, I got him. That was right on the edge, on the verge. But if I try to shoot that other arm, I don't get them. Nope, they just sit there. So, you know, now you got me waiting for flies, and they seem to come in waves. I'll sit here for 5 or 10 minutes and not see a fly, and then all of a sudden, 1 or 2 pop in. Boom, yeah. And it'd be nice if I could just sit here and not get up, but I got to get up and shoot them. Or I could just wait till they come over here. I mean, it's just a matter of time for them to come over. But I have so much fun. Yeah, I'll tell you what. I cleared, when I first sat down, there was a ton of flies. Now, I don't see any. I'm looking for other targets just because I want to shoot that gun. He got himself a meal. He's taken back to the ant home. That's one good thing. Yeah, the ants got plenty to eat now. They're picking up all those dead flies. All right, enough of that. I got to get back to mowing. I took a break. I've been mowing all morning. I'm going to hopefully finish mowing now, and then guess what I get to do? Yeah, the trim. Yeah, I got a ton of trim to do. Yeah, that's a string. That's the weed eater. Yeah, and I work up a good sweat doing that. But yeah, that's a whole different story. Bill Goudy out for now. Looks like a T-bone, but it's not. It's a sirloin. A top sirloin. Hand cut. Look, look. Look at the thickness. Oh, yeah. Mmm. I know. Someone's going to ask. They're thinking right now. Bill Goudy doesn't eat baked potatoes. What's in that foil? Yeah. I'm just going to have to show you. Yeah. In place of a potato, that is an onion. Baked onion. Girl. You got kisses. You got kisses for me. Huh? You're such a good girl. Look at that.
Done. I'm done.
Getting you 77. July 21st on NBC. A lot of things in my life are interconnected. And it's all about that rhythm.
This is Bella. Happy summer from Abilene, Texas. I'm Graham, and this is how we work out, plod around.
Jenna Bushager from Studio Soleil in Rockefeller Plaza.
Wow. Breakfast. That is so good. You don't like the hot sauce, do you? He's not a hot sauce fan. I am.
Tell you there's a good thing there's no wind in the studio because my skirt just flew up during and yeah, I've worn that one too. It's oh wait, look at Donna wearing that one. Oh, yeah, when we had celebs in the studio, that was fun. Cute. So what do you, Donna, be 100% serious? If you could have chosen
Oh, yeah.
for us, what of the three would you have chosen?
Oh, yeah.
What of the three would you have chosen for Jenna? What I want to see you guys next week, because I actually really want you in this. I want to see you
What a way
laser with a theory
to start the day.
I want to see you with this Donna Brown dress with the
Little iced tea
wanted to wear that
with apple cider vinegar and lemon.
You're also going to wear those shorts because they look hot on you. Yeah. You're going to wear those another day coming up. I'm sorry, I'm a little bossy.
No sweetener. Don't need it.
Fashion, beauty, and when things
It's very good. Got hot sauce instead. Just enjoying some of Brian Doyle's hot sauce. Oh, thank you, sir.
800 wonderful engineers, so it wasn't risky in the
So
same way
good.
that ballooning or boating was.
It has some meat too.